But Shambhavi, what do you think women MPs can collectively do? Because there are newer challenges, as your fellow MPs are talking about, both within and outside the House.
Definitely, I think advocating for women's safety, advocating for a society that is more just, advocating for something. See, the whole point is that nobody comes collectively. Everything gets politicized. When you are come from a political background, suddenly everything is about politics and how somebody is wrong and somebody is right. But this issue on women's safety, on justice to women, on how women can be empowered further, needs a collective voice that has got nothing to do from the government or from the opposition. We need to come together and advocate for it. Other than that, we need to create awareness through different, we can do this in our constituencies, we can do this in our home states. We need to collectively talk about different issues pertaining to women, be it the dowry, be it patriarchal discrimination, be it unfair, the wage gap. So these are some little things that we can, address. We need to talk about it. We need to talk about it more boldly. And most importantly, we need to educate women. We need to run campaigns, awarenesses where education of women is prioritized, where higher education in women especially. So, when I talk of education, I don't talk of primary education. I mean, higher education needs to be prioritized, where opportunities given to women need to be, that needs to be on the priority list. How women are getting jobs, we are talking about that, but are we creating a safe environment for them to work? Are we addressing the wage gap? And definitely, I am a sociology student, and I continuously talk about it, about how women have to work in two shifts. They work outside also, and once they come home, they work there also. So these are some issues that we need to collectively raise, collectively talk about. And I don't think that there is anything regarding women that is not important. Anything regarding women or girl or a girl child, education, health, everything, sanitation, everything is important. And it's about time. We're in 2024. It's about time that we all collectively come together and advocate for it.
Okay.